This video will go through the even problems on pages 4-5 and 4-6. So we are writing linear equations, so equations of the lines. So all of your answers are going to be in this form: y equals mx plus b. The y and the x stay there. You fill in numbers for m and b. M is your slope and b is your y-intercept, so where it crosses the y-axis. So the first ones, they just tell you what they are. So you're going to write number 2 as y equals negative 3/5 x. This keeps moving on me. X plus 4. So just remember to always put the x with the slope. Number 4, your slope is negative 1. You don't need to put the 1, just put the negative sign and then the x, and then plus 7. And then number 6, y equals negative 5/2x minus 3. All right. If you have a negative y-intercept, technically you would do plus negative 3. Plus negative is not allowed. We don't want two signs right next to each other. So if your y-intercept is negative, you just put a minus sign. So y equals negative 5/2 x minus 3. When you have an actual graph, you need to find your y-intercept first, and then your, I don't know why the lines aren't showing up. There we go. Your y-intercept, and then count your slope. So your y-intercept is clear up here where it crosses the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your b, your y-intercept is 7. And then if we count from this to this, we went down 6 and right 4. So your slope is negative 6/4, and we need to simplify that to negative 3/2. So your final equation is y equals negative 3/2 x plus 7. So find where it crosses the y-axis, that's your b, then count to another point to get your slope, and then write your equation. As you can see, you don't have to use the 2 points they give you. So if you could notice, oh, here's a nice point, negative 3/2, then you don't have to simplify it. It already would be simplified for you. So if you want to use a different points than what they give you, that's fine. For these, they don't have you write out m and b, but I would do that anyway. So my y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We went down 6, so negative 6 is my y-intercept. And then my slope, if I count from here to here, I go up 5 and right 5, so 5/5 is just 1. So when I write my equation, y equals 1x. I don't need the 1, okay? Anytime you have a 1, just leave it as x in this case, and then minus 6, since it's down 6. Number 12. This one starts at the origin, so you have a y-intercept of 0. From there, we go up 4 and right 3. So your slope is 4/3. So if we have y equals 4/3 x plus 0, plus 0 is not needed. So please do not put it. If your y-intercept is 0, then you're only going to have an x term. Number 14, your y-intercept is just up 1. Then we can go down 5 and right 6. So our slope is negative 5/6. So our equation, y equals negative 5/6 x plus 1. Our y-intercept is clear up here at 8. If we go down here, We went down 10 and then right 2. So our slope is negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. You don't need negative 5 over 1, just negative 5. So y equals negative 5x plus 8.